Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to do simple physics simulation in Blender. As you can see, so press A, X and delete. Click on add, mesh and click on cylinder. Zoom in, press tab. Press 3 to get the face selection mode. Select this top face, press X and delete faces. Now go to the selection mode by pressing Alt Shift, select the base, press Ctrl B to add a bevel. Now scroll up and down to add the number of cuts as per your requirements. Right click, shade auto smooth. Now go to here modifiers, generate and choose solidify. Increase the thickness as per your requirement. Make sure it is even thickness. Apply this modifier. After that I need my balls. Of course, not my balls. UV sphere. Press S to scale it down. Now what I will do, press G, set, and you can increase or decrease as per your requirement. You know the radius of the ball. It's up to you. So I'm making this size. Go to the add and array. Press 3 on numpad. Increase this value. Let's say press 7 and increase this count. Press GX to move a little bit, GY to little bit here, and click on add. Add a array modifier again, but this time it will be in this direction. Make it 0 and increase this count. I think this much is fine. After that I will add a one more modifier. This time this will go to the upward direction. Let's make it 2 and increase this count. I think this much is fine. Okay, after that let's apply all this modifier. Now just to know that higher the number of meshes count, higher it will take to do the simulation. So what I will do right now is I will select this and go to my physics, click on rigid body. It is a passive one. Passive one is that body which basically doesn't move or do anything. So click on here and shape type is mesh. Select this ball, this thing, and press tab, press A to select all, press P by loose parts. Notice it all will collapse. Great. Now press tab, object, set origin, origin to geometry. Now dot is inside of it, that's a good thing. Now select a ball and click on rigid body, click on sphere. Okay, after that I have to apply all of them. Now what I will do, option number 1, be an idiot and try to do manually all the work, or option number 2, I will do some smart work. Hey, guess what I'm gonna do, I will do smart work. So I will select this, press hide, select this, press Ctrl I. After that, by pressing shift at the end, I will select this pole. Go to the object, click on rigid body, click on add active. So this thing applied to all of them. Now that's great. Now click on here. Now what I have to do is I have to simply click on play. Just you know that this will take a very long time. So make sure you spend your time, or if you burn if you get burned, don't blame on me. Big long time. So in that way you can do the simulation. My question comes to your mind, what will I do, because it takes a lot of time to do the simulation. Uh, if I try to render it out, it will take a very long time. Now I have two options. Option number 1, be an idiot and do the simulation every time and render it. Okay, I'm not going to do that. Option number 2, what will I will do? I will select all of them and bake this simulation. Hey, guess what? Look like it. I think it look like option number 2 is better for me. So I will go up to the frame 90 and I will stop this simulation. Stop it, go to object and look for the bake. Somewhere I know bake is there, but I don't know where it is. Rigid body, copy, connect, no these ones. Okay, press A, object, copy format, bake to keyframes. Uh, I'm going to 90 because 91 because up to that simulation is big. So click OK. It is taking some time to calculate all of these things. So keep calm and it's done, guys. Now let's see how does it look like. Sorry if you are oh sorry, my click on play so you can see this is how it looks like. Looks great. Now let's select all of them, right click shade auto smooth. Now let's apply some material. So go here, new, what kind of material do you want to apply? Choose as per your requirement. So I will go here, material, click on sample materials, and there is I think a glass material here, basic glass. Yeah, apply to selected. So this will apply to this thing. Yep, let's see how does it look like. Looks good to me. Select this, hide, and about all of them, give it any random color as per your requirement, and it's up to you. Let's say I give these one new pinkish color, just like this. Oh my bad. Basic glass. New pinkish color, like this. Hide. Now I will use some smart tricks. Select this by pressing shift. Select this one. Object and link transfer data. Link material. Yep. Now select this one. New. Add a material. Let's say greenish, and I will select them and by pressing this link material. Let's apply track link material. Mm, let's do it here as well. That is fine. Object link materials. If I click on play, so you can see how does it look like. Hmm, not bad. What do you guys think? Now I think that's for all for this video. If you have any kind of doubt, enquiries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.